ham skewers, both called for pineapple. And my store only had one pineapple. And so instead of freaking out and thinking, oh, I'm going to have to run all over creation for a new pineapple, I went ahead and just bought some frozen pineapple chunks. And I wanted you to know that you can do that too. So don't freak out when you see something on your grocery list and your grocery doesn't have exactly the same thing. In fact, there's a lot of reports in the world right now about how frozen fruits and vegetables are actually that you buy in the grocery store are actually have more nutrient dense than the fresh because of how they're processed. Like these are processed as soon as it gets picked from the field, they flash freeze them, they whatever, whereas the pineapple that is in your produce section, your fresh produce section, has traveled all that way. Now that is not the same as getting it from your farmer's market or getting it from your garden, but for most of us, what we purchase in the grocery store is not as fresh as what we can buy frozen, and it really does stop it retains a lot of those nutrients.
Right.
So now I gotta get my bags.